Here's how to mass delete your Discord messages using redact.dev. First, go to redact.dev and download the Redact app for your device. Install the app, open it, and create your free account. Redact uses passwordless logins, so all you need to do is enter your email and a secure code will be sent to you so you can sign in. From here, you can select Find My Accounts, and Redact will scan supported browsers on your device for social media accounts. Everything runs locally on your device. Redact never sees your credentials directly. You can also click Add Account, select Discord from the services list, and connect your Discord account. Follow the prompts to log into Discord so Redact can find your messages and perform deletions. Redact operates locally on your device and doesn't store your account data on any servers. After connecting Discord, you'll see the configuration form. You can switch between easy mode and advanced mode depending on how specific you want your deletions to be. In easy mode, choose where you want to delete messages from. You can target servers, direct messages, or servers you moderate. Then set your date range. To delete everything, leave the range set from all time until now. If you need more control, switch to advanced mode. Here you can filter messages by keywords, phrases, usernames, date ranges, or content types such as images, links, and files. Next, choose a deletion mode. Preview mode shows what matches your filters without deleting anything. Deletion mode removes everything that matches. Select and delete lets you manually pick items. Scheduled deletion runs cleanups automatically on a schedule. Start with preview mode to confirm the results. If everything looks correct, switch to deletion mode or select and delete. Keep the app open while the job runs and watch the progress as messages are removed. If you have a very large message history or run into rate limits, you can use data import inside Redact to improve coverage and speed for large deletion jobs. You can get your data package from Discord directly.